Phase 3 of the PIC32 challenge. We are back here again. Just a quick review of the hardware. Obviously, I'm using the PIC32 as the main processor, and it's the only processor for the application. The application is very simple. It's a network access terminal, but everything is implemented using the PIC32. The graphics library, TCP/IP, the tag reader. That's the Ethernet interface. That's on the bottom, the power over Ethernet module. On the right, the Optomos switches and couplers. Some LEDs for debugging, testing. Here comes the microchip graphics pigtail. That's the version 2, and includes the buzzer on the top. The PIC32 expansion board, that's where I'm getting all the connections from the PIC32. And down there, you're gonna see on the right the voltage regulators, on the left the memories, the serial interface, audio filter and amplifier, and on the bottom, that's the emergency switch. The application is simple. It's an access terminal where you need to swipe an RFID tag and enter a PIN number, so each user has a particular access profile. I'm showing the PIN number here, just to show you how it works. Normally you see an asterisk or some other thing, not just the actual number. Based on the access profile, the application is gonna open or not the magnetic locks that give you access to the premises. Normally data centers, office buildings, or my son already one of these for his room. So based on the different profiles, I have a very small board that shows when access is granted, how the two locks get open. The small push buttons are requests for open, button. This is a particular profile that has restricted access, so it's gonna open only one of the doors. So you have to, register with a security guard or whatever is in there. It's just, kind of a basic idea. When you turn the emergency switch, obviously the doors open, and the application starts to sound an alarm, and every event is logged over the serial port and over the network. And I still have my master key. After swiping the key and entering the PIN number, I can go back to the old application where I have some diagnostics, configuration, and other toys I used to put together the firmware. That's a network status. That's the status of the door switch sensors. I can do some network diagnostics. I can start pinging, and actually this is pinging the my PIC32 website. That's not a bad round trip time. The RFID tag reader, just to make sure I'm reading what I'm supposed to get from the serial interface that I'm using to interface with the RFID module. This is an interrupt-based, modification of the ADPCM routines to play an ADPCM audio stream. That's a screen showing the configuration of the unit, and then we can go back to the application. And essentially, that's all. Thank you for your support. I will appreciate your vote. Thank you, Microchip, DigiKey, and the rest of their sponsors. And that's all, folks. Thank you very much.